Welcome to our tutorial about creating a function. In this tutorial, we're going to create our own custom function. Public function. Let's call this function my function. Open parenthesis. Now we'll type the keyword by-val, space, num1 as integer, comma, by-val, space, num2 as integer. Now we'll close the parenthesis and as integer. Finish this line with a hard return. Next, I'll type return, space, num1, space, plus num2. Okay, let's take a moment to review what we've done. Our block of code is called my function. A function means the code will return back some value. In our case, the function will return the sum of the numbers 1 and 2. The parameters of numbers 1 and 2 are specified here as integers. We've got a new keyword up here, by-val or by-value. I won't go into detail about this keyword here, but think of it as a variable that retrieves a value from an argument. Next, we see here that the function will return the value as an integer. Now we're going to write a little more code, and let's modify the function a little bit. Dim, integer a as integer, hard return. Next line, integer a, space, equals, my function. You see that IntelliSense already gives us my function in a drop-down menu. The pop-up tip gives us an explanation of the function as well. num1 as an integer, num2 as an integer, returning the value as an integer. Let's hit the Tab key. Now open parenthesis, and for our first argument we'll enter 3, comma, with the second argument as 2. Close parenthesis, hard return. One more line of code. Let's add a message box. And let's fix my spelling mistake. Integer a in parentheses. Okay, let's try to run our program. Now when I click button 2, I've got the appropriate result, 5. And this concludes our tutorial about creating a function.